Hey everyone, our topic for today is all about derivatives. Definitions. The essence of calculus is the derivative. The derivative is the instantaneous rate of change of a function with respect to one of its variables. This is equivalent to finding the slope of the tangent line to the function at a point. Rules and differentiation or rules for calculating derivatives. A and B are differentiable function. A equals f of x, B equals g of x, C is a constant. Number 1. Y equals C is the derivative is 0 and this is called constant rule. Number 2. Y equals x to the n and the derivative is n times x to the n minus 1 and this is called power rule. Number 3. Y equals c times x raised to n and the derivative is c times n times x raised to n minus 1 and this is called constant and exponent rule. Number 4. Y equals a plus minus b and the derivative is the derivative of a plus minus the derivative of b and this is called sum rule. Number 5. Y equals a times b and the derivative is a times the derivative of b plus minus b times the derivative of a and this is called the product rule. Number 6. Y equals a over b and the derivative is equal to b times the derivative of a minus a times the derivative of b over b squared and this is called quotient rule. Number 7. Y equals a raised to n and the derivative is equal to n times e raised to n minus 1 times the derivative of a and this is called the chain rule. Number 8. Y equals 1 over a raised to n and the derivative is equal to a raised to minus n minus 1 and this is called negative integer power. And this is all the rules and differentiations or rules for calculating derivatives. Next. Examples. Find the derivatives. Number 1. Y equals 7x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. Solution. As we can see in number 1, we can use the constant and exponent rule and sum rule and differentiation. So the solution is y equals 7x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. The derivative is 3 times 7x squared minus 2 times 4x plus 5 times 1 minus 0. By simplifying, we have the derivative of 21x squared minus 8x plus 5. And this is the derivative of example number 1. Example number 2. Y equals square root of 3 minus 5x. Solution. Using the chain rule and differentiation, we have the derivative of y equals square root of 3 minus 5x is equal to 3 minus 5x raised to 1 half equals 1 half times 3 minus 5x raised to negative 1 half times negative 5 and equals to negative 5 over 2 times 3 minus 5x raised to 1 half. And this is the derivative of example number 2. Number 3. Y equals x squared plus 5 squared and the solution Using the chain rule and differentiation is the derivative of y equals x squared plus 5 squared is 2 times x squared plus 5 times 2x. And the result is 4x times x squared plus 5. And this is the derivative of example number 3. Example number 4. Y equals x squared plus 3 over x minus 2. And the solution is the derivative of y equals x squared plus 3 over x minus 2 using quotient rule and differentiation is x minus 2 times 2x minus x squared plus 3 times 1 over x minus 2 squared. And the result is 2x squared minus 4x minus x squared minus 3 over x minus 2 squared is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 3 over x minus 2 squared. And this is the derivative of example number 1. Example number 5. Y equals 1 over x squared minus 5. And the solution, the derivative of y equals 1 over x squared minus 1 raised to 5. Using negative integer power rule and differentiation, we have x squared minus 1 raised to negative 5 equals negative 5 times x squared minus 1 raised to negative 6 times 2x is equal to negative 10x over x squared minus 1 raised to 6. And this is the derivative of example number 5. Next. Now, it's your turn. Activities. Find the derivatives of number 1. Y equals square root of y equals cube root of 3x minus 2. Number 2, y equals square root of 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 2. Number 3, y equals 5x cubed minus 2x minus 1 cubed. Number 4, y equals 5x minus 3 times 3x plus 2. 5. Y equals 3x plus 7 over 2x minus 1 squared. Thank you.